Let's see if this has fixed the problem. Only one beep. And it hasn't. And check the easy faults first. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly swap out the R8 resistor, which is shown as an open circuit on my multimeter. So I've got my hot air set at 400 degrees. And we're just going to see if we can quickly take that off the board without dislodging any of the components. Got a new one here. What I'll do, I'll put a little bit of flux paste back on there just to see if it helps keep the resistor in place. We'll blast this again. We're going to focus. Nope. It's stuck. We'll quickly put that together and we'll try that. Okay, so I've replaced the R8 resistor, and this obviously is a lesson in check the easy faults first. So before you go ordering new processors and swapping out processors thinking that it's a complicated fault, it can be something as simple as a little resistor there. And the annoying thing is I already had some replacement resistors, so I didn't have to actually buy that processor. So that processor is the new one and these are working fine. So I'm assuming that the old processor is still working fine too. So I'm going to put this back together. That's a fix. I've successfully replaced the processor. Is that a good thing or not? Didn't need to do it, but it has been successfully replaced. We'll put this back together. We'll make sure it's working again, and I can give it back to my friend for it's his daughter. There you go. So that's hot. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you in the next one.